Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. I purchased this Big Dig for a Christmas gift for the 3-year-old grandson. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to put it together. Here's all the parts that come in the box and the hardware. What I'm going to do right now is put that magnet in there and make sure everything's hooked up to that magnet so I don't lose none of the hardware. I'm going to take the seat, I'm going to put this on the ground and hold it down like this. I'm going to take this seat and just slide it into here. Now as you can see, right here it slides. It's going to be kind of tight, but you want it tight so it don't come back out. So just push it down and now it's on there. It comes with a set of instructions if you want to look at the instructions. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a screw in each one of these holes. It's pretty tight that you probably don't have to, but to secure it down to where it doesn't move later on, it'd probably be a good idea. I got my ball of hardware right here on this magnet. And here's the 4 screws with 4 washers. So those 4 screws and washers will go in these 4 holes right here. Here's another small tip. See how this goes on there? Falls right off. I get this magnetizer, demagnetizer. Stick my bit in there. Shake it around a little bit. Now I'll take my screw and put it on there. It's not coming off. That's just a tip because it's aggravating trying to hold this screw on this bit. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this part right here. It's got the seat on it. I'm going to stick it right down inside here. And now I'm going to turn it around so you can see it. Take my cluster of hardware here. I'm going to take this clip. I'm going to take it and put it right in here so that this does not come off. And that's secure on there. It's not coming off unless you want it off. Now I'm going to remove all this plastic from the little scooper here, and be careful because there's some pinch points in here. If you're not careful, you will pinch your finger. And what they've done here is actually, the plastic is actually riveted right onto there, so just pull it off the best you can. Now as you can see, I got the handles here. We'll go ahead and hook this bucket mechanism up. As you can see here, I'm going to take the rest of the hardware. I'm going to take this one side, the far side. I'm going to take this screw. It's got a small washer on it. Stick it right through here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a washer on there. And I'm going to stick it, the screw right through this hole right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put another washer on there. Just one. I'm going to push the screw on through it and on through to the other side. Now I'm going to put another washer on right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and bring this up, attach it. I'm going to take the smaller washer, I'll put it on right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and attach the fiber nut. Now I'm going to go ahead and snug it down to where it's not so tight that it can't move, but tight enough to where everything is nice and snug to where it doesn't wobble. Okay, and that should take care of it. Now let's see how it works. There we go, works pretty good. Okay, there it is. Hope this helps. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.